G'day, Sunday the 1st of September 2024, and what's going on? So it's heading into springtime now, actually officially start of spring today. So in this polytunnel, we're just starting to plant up some spring stuff, so I'll have a bit of a quick look. So these are baby carrots, and I think this shade colour, or this plastic cover on the top, is a bit thick for winter, and it's not quite letting enough light through. And so the plants are, I mean, some of them are doing all right, but anyway, these baby carrots are just starting to pop through the surface, some of them. So a little while longer and they'll be ready. And Thursday we planted some climbing beans here, so these are doing really well. And I'm just going to put this net up and extend it to the top, and I'll put a pipe over there and grow them there. We've got a fungal gnat issue at the minute, so we've just got these sticky traps going for them, which I'll probably change today, put some fresher ones on too. It's hard to see on now how many younger ones, you know what I mean, like the new ones that get on there. You've got to look for what's still moving, whether it's alive or not. I don't know if there's many that are still alive. So I'll change them out, then I'll be able to notice the new ones. The new fungal gnats on the trap, and then I'll know when we've still got a big problem or not. Anyway, so I levelled out this NFT pipe system. It's not NFT pipe system properly the other day, so the water, the fertilizer level is perfect. So we got planted some more lettuces down the bottom. Still got some empty pipes there. Up the top here we've got these spring onions, and also planted up some cucumbers. So these should be doing pretty good. They'll be fine. And what we do, we give them a little additional drink each day for the first few days until their roots get down into the nutrient solution. And they're going to grow up this net here, and I'll extend the net as well. So that should be good. So these lettuces, they're past prime, but we're still eating them. Nearly finished them all. A couple here nearly ready, and these ones. So the cucumbers are all the way along the top. And then I've taken some tomato plant cuttings and they're just resting in here. And I think some of them won't make it, but a lot of them will. We'll have cuttings of tomatoes. So these are iceberg lettuces. And over here on these Dutch buckets, just planted some silverbeet, Swiss chard, just the plain green one, not the rainbow. 2 more down here, so 6 of them. And these are gross lifts tomatoes in this bottom row. And what I'll do is I've got a steel pipe just laying there, and I'll put that up across the top there and use strings and lower and lean technique, and they'll grow up there. So that'll be cool. So recirculating Dutch buckets, expanded clay media, 2 drippers in each, running non-stop, keeping the pH around about 5.8 to 6.2, and the EC at around about 1.8 to 2.2, and changing out the nutrient solution every 3 weeks at the moment. And then here, so these are the tomatoes that have been in since April, I think, or March, April probably, and so I'm growing these just up these strings on lower and lean technique. I gave them a heavy prune the other day because they were a bit chaotic, and I sprayed them with wettable sulphur because they had some spider mites. I like wettable sulphur because it becomes sulfuric acid when you add water to it, so you burn the little spider mites, which is good. Anyway, the plants are now putting on lots of new growth, and there's no sign of any insect problems. Today I'll have to lower them down a little bit more. So they've been great. We've had plenty of tomatoes. There's a yellow one there. and this is a grape, I think. So they're all doing pretty good. Oh, this is a black cherry here. And so there's a couple of them. I've grown them up. So that's why I'm taking cuttings from these clones, and hopefully I'll clone. And then because this bucket's empty, so I'll change that. Actually, with that there, I'll show you what the EC looks like. So the EC is at 2.2, so that's pretty good, perfect. And the same tank is running, this system, that system there, and the pipe system. I intend to lay one more row of pipes along the bottom here, so I'll give them like 3 levels there. And then, so these 2 fans are running on a timer switch at the moment, so it's running on this one. And then when it gets warmer, head into summer, I'll run it on this digital temperature operated one. Once the temperature gets above 25 Celsius, the fan will switch on. So at the moment it's running on a timer from 10 AM to 2:30 PM, just to keep air movement and just lower the humidity. I angled this fan up now because with these beans here, I didn't want it blowing them around too much, damaging the plants. That's about it, really. Over here, I'm building a shade house. This is an old these steel pipes are from a trampoline, which I found the frame. I found on the side of the road, chucked out, and I'm using that to build the shade house. So I've got to that point. It was raining yesterday, so didn't get much more done. I'll get a bit done today, hopefully. So down a bit, what I'll probably do is I'll change out the nutrient solution probably in a few days. I'll just let it run down a bit. So there's 3 different. This one comes from the pipe system, and these are the 2 Dutch bucket systems. There's 3,000 litre an hour pump down there. Running the whole show. Very simple. And I've buried that reservoir so that it'll hopefully keep the temperature a bit cooler in summer. Climbing beans. They went in on Thursday, today is Sunday. They're looking really happy. It's in a flood and drain system. It floods every 3 hours. Runs for about 7 minutes on a digital timer. The reservoir's down here. A little pump. Runs on this digital timer here.